Welcome. So we are in the downtown of Syracuse, and here there is this wonderful villa. Just here is just 1 kilometer away from the archaeological area. This is a villa inside the city. It's a villa in Liberty style of the 18th century. Look at the gate. It's a typical Liberty style. Okay, there is a stunning park with many flowers and secular trees, many pine trees. This is the entrance and this is the house. Take a look, it's very beautiful with the palm trees as I can say as a sign of fortune. The villa that the owner put at disposal, the part of the villa that the owner put at the disposal of the traveler is the upper one. In the lower, in the first floor lives the housekeeper. So for whatever you want, you need ask him. You can enjoy this villa in the downtown of Syracuse, and it's very, it's absolute unique privilege. Look, this is the house, and it's a very well-equipped and stylish house with many prestigious furnitures. But here, the breakfast prepared by Savannah, the guest, by our chef that has prepared this cake for the breakfast. Lemon, yeah, chocolate. Oh, very good. Oh, this is Mama Sicily gift for our travelers. We are waiting for 5 people from England. Look at this painting. This painting is a private collection of the owner of this house, Mr. Broggi. Mr. Broggi gave this collection of old Sicilian painting to the municipality of Syracuse, and you can so you can look at them to by many museums in Syracuse. He's a very important person, the owner of this house. This is the kitchen. Take a look. It's all new. There is the dishwasher. Here there is the washing machine. It's a very beautiful and I repeat, full equipped kitchen. Let's go outside. Outdoor space, of course. You can close it so you can enjoy your meal without the sun. Look here, there is Livio that is cleaning the pool, and this is the pool and the wonderful park, only at your disposal. Take a look. Let's take a look to the bedrooms. There are 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. 1 bedrooms, wonderful, spacious, and of course there is the air conditioning in all the rooms. This is another bedroom, spacious and bright as the first one, and 2 bathrooms. 1 shower. Also, in the living room there is this, how can I call it, an alcova with a circle bed and windows and terraces all in all the rooms, so it's very bright. This wonderful house in Syracuse. Ciao ciao.